session. I hope you all are absolutely good and watching the videos properly now. Our first term is completed. Now we are doing this syllabus of second term. So as you all know, we had started with the chapter number 11. Right? Yesterday we had started with the chapter number 11, that is people at work. So today firstly I will give the recap of that chapter and then we will start with the book work. So you all have to keep your book with you and your pencil and eraser should be with you. Okay, so firstly I am giving you the recap that what we had learned in the last session. हम अभी उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. So just listen it carefully everyone. So I am telling you the recap of this chapter. Chapter name is people at work. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. People at work. Okay. So firstly I will firstly tell me what is profession or occupation. As I told you in the last session, what is profession or occupation? I hope all of you know the answer. What is profession? Yes, so students, profession is the work that we do for earn money. Okay, जो भी काम हम मनी को अर्न करने के लिए कर रही हैं, that work is known as profession or occupation. Okay, let's learn the spelling of profession. 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 And then occupation, occupation. Occupation or profession is the work that we do to earn money. Okay, is it clear? Now moving on to the next thing, we met with few people yesterday. And today I will give the small recap of that which type of work they are doing, right, and which type of tools they are using in their work. So first of all, we are starting with the architect. I am talking about architect. So what is the work of an architect? Architect plans for our house. As you all know, architect क्या करता है, हमारे house के लिए plan create करता है that where our room will be, where our kitchen, where our like टॉयलेट, बाथरूम एंड ऑल थिंग्स, कहाँ पर कौन सी जगह बननी है, सारा प्लान कौन करके देता है हमें? आर्किटेक्ट ये सारा प्लान करके देता है, राइट. नाउ व्हिच टूल्स आर्किटेक्ट इज यूजिंग? स्केल, पेन, पेंसिल, कंपास, these things are used by an architect. Okay, then next is I'm talking about the carpenter. What is the work of a carpenter? Carpenter does all the woodwork, like carpenter make windows and doors for us and cupboards for us. Okay, so this is about the carpenter. This is the work of a carpenter. Then what tools they are using? Saw, plane, scale, drill or hammer. These tools are used by the carpenter. Okay, the next people is painter. So what is the work of a painter? Painter makes our house beautiful by painting the walls and roofs. Okay, so this is the work of a painter. And the painter have tools like brushes and colors. Okay, then next is about the gardener. Gardener plants the flowers, the beautiful flowers in our garden, in our school garden also, in our garden also. So this is the work of garden, to plant the beautiful plants or flowers. Okay, so what are the tools gardener is using? Gardener use spade. Spade is used to dig the mud. Trowel is used to remove all the unwanted plants, and the cutter is used to cut. The cutter and scissors both are used to cut and make the designs of the plants. Okay, so this is the work of gardener and the tools of the gardener. Then I am talking about the teacher. So what is the work of a teacher? Teacher teaches us, right, giving us different kind of knowledge and telling us different kinds of things. And what are the tools? Models, charts, chalk, marker and duster. Then next is about the mechanic. example is here mechanic. What is the work of a mechanic? Mechanic repairs all the vehicles, right? Mechanic repair all the vehicles, and also it meant the puncture also. Then what are the tools? Tools are like spanner. Spanner is like a key. I have told you about this. इस तरह से होती है. It is used to unlock something, and wrench is also used to unlock very tight thing. टाइट चीज को खोलने के लिए इन टूल्स का यूज किया जाता है. Then pliers, drill, and screwdriver. These are the tools of the mechanic, and same tools are of the electrician. Drill, hammer, screwdriver, and pliers. These are the tools like mechanic and electrician tools are mostly same. What is the work of an electrician? Work of an electrician is to fit the bulbs, to make the fit the bulb switches and all in our house, and all the electric work done by the electrician. Then next is about the driver. What is the work of a driver? Driver drives the bus or car. Okay, driver drives the bus or car very safely, and there is no any tool for the driver. See, car is also a tool. Okay, car ko chalana that is. So what should be with driver? Driver के पास क्या होना चाहिए? Driver के पास driving license होना चाहिए. And that driving license driver will get when he will give the driving test, and that time then he will get the driving license. He will get the permission to drive the car. Okay. Then about the doctor. See, what is the work of a doctor? Doctor cures us. Doctor take care of us. हमें कोई भी डिसीज होती है तो कौन करेक्ट करता है, कौन हमें मेडिसिन देता है? That is the work of a doctor. Now, what type of tools like doctors are using? Stethoscope, scissors. Stethoscope is used to listen our heartbeat. वो हमारी heartbeat को सुनते हैं उससे. And scissors, bandage, machines. Some machines are also in the hospital. You can see to sometime to check the BP, sometime to do the X-ray. So these are the machines. These are the tools of the doctor. Okay. So this was about the recap of this chapter. Now we are moving on to our next topic. Our next topic is gender and work. Gender and work means here I am talking about many years ago. The time was what is the topic? Topic is gender and work. So what do you mean by gender? Gender is about the women and men, right? So many years ago the time was कि पहले women को काम नहीं करने दिया जाता था. That education was not much important for the girls or for the women. Nowadays you can see that mostly women are working. पहले के टाइम में women को पढ़ने नहीं दिया जाता था, काम नहीं करने दिया जाता था. Nowadays everywhere you can see that girls are doing job, women are doing job of any kind, right? So this is about the gender and work. So I will tell you about some women जो पहले प्रेसिडेंट बने, जो पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने. सो वो हम इसके बात करेंगे. फर्स्टली ओपन पेज नंबर 52 of your book. Page number 52 of your book. So we are starting with the book work. Everyone open your book, page number 52. Match the followings are given on this page. So we will do that first. Match the following. I will send the PDF file of this also. So the first is carpenter. Second is given mechanic. Then next is given gardener. is given architect. Now here see in the right side given scale and compass. Second is trowel. These are the tools given which some people are using, and we have to match them with the correct one. The next is saw, and the next is spanner. So these are the tools. Now see carpenter. कारपेंटर कौन सा टूल यूज करता है इनमें से? सी स्केल और कंपास इज यूज्ड बाय कारपेंटर, ट्रॉवल, सा और स्पैनर. Which one? Which tool carpenter is using? Yes, that is saw. Saw he is using to cut or to make this wood smooth. So we will write here 1. We will not draw the lines. We will just write the numbers. Then next is mechanic. So what tool mechanic is using? Till spanner. Spanner is used by the mechanic to unlock some tight things, tight nuts. Then next is gardener. Okay, the what tools gardener is using? Like trowel. Trowel is used to remove all the unwanted plants. So this one is the third. Then fourth is architect. Now which tools architect is using? First is left, that is scale and compass are used by an architect. I hope it is done by you also. Now let us do the next page. Here to tick the correct statement, and two questions are given, that is tick the correct statement and cross the one that is not. We have to tell the statement is correct or wrong. Okay, for correct one we will put tick, and for the wrong one we will put cross. Is it clear? Then the page number 53 is here. First one is statement is, read the statement with me. A doctor keeps stethoscope to listen our heartbeats. Is it true or false? It's true. For that we will put tick. Doctor keeps stethoscope to listen our heartbeats. Then the next one is, a driver flies aeroplane. Is it correct? Yes. Tell me, is it correct? No, that driver cannot fly aeroplane. Who fly aeroplane? Who fly aeroplane? Pilot. Okay, one thing is left. That is 10th number point is given on the same page. We have given some pictures here, and we have to tell the names of each picture. Okay, so firstly we will do that now. After that we will do that. Yeah. So the first picture you can see. Here 4 pictures are given in the first line. So first picture you can see in your book. What is this? A boy is going and on the cycle, and what he is doing? He is throwing something in the house. So it is the work of a postman. Postman throwing post in the house. Okay, so the first picture is postman. These are the other helpful people which are around us. जैसे हमने 9 peoples के बारे में पहले बात की, अभी और भी people हैं जो हमारे लिए help करते हैं, हमारे लिए काम करते हैं, और वो काम खुद की earning के लिए करते हैं. Okay, now the next picture is of a cobbler. Cobbler mends our shoes and every footwear type. And then the next is potters. Potters are like कुम्हार जो मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाते हैं. potters. The next is tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes. Now the next picture in the next line, the first picture, you can see the picture. A man is holding two drums and these drums are of milk. So he is a milkman. He is a milkman. In the next picture you can see a boy is washing the clothes. So he is a washerman. He is washing the clothes. He is a washerman. In the next picture you can see a girl is treating on a girl's face. तो कोई भी ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट, कोई भी ऐसा कोई थिंग जो ब्यूटी के लिए किया जाता है, टू कीप द ब्यूटी क्लीन एंड कीप अस क्लीन, सो दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ अ ब्यूटिशियन. BEUTICIAN, beautician. Then next is the last picture. You can see these two people are standing. These are pilot. So what is the work of pilot? What is the work of pilot? Pilot flies aeroplane. Correct? Now after this, students, open next page number. Page number 54. Yes, page number 54. On this page, some pictures again given. Okay, you have to take a look at the pictures of some such women and write the names in the spaces provided. This is just to tell you that कि पहले वुमेन्स भी काम, जैसे पहले वुमेन्स को काम नहीं करने दिया जाता था. देन वुमेन स्टार्टेड स्टडी. ओके, उनको पढ़ने का राइट मिल गया. नाउ दे हैव राइट टू डू education, they have right to do study, they have right to do any job. Okay, so here are some pictures given. These are the first women prime minister. See, first picture you can see, this picture is of first woman prime minister of India. Who was first woman prime minister of India? These are the GK questions. You all must have know the name. So she is Indira Gandhi. She is Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman prime minister of India. Then next is first woman president of India. Who was first woman president of India? Yes, Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil. Next is first woman IPS officer of India. IPS officer Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi. Then the next is first Indian woman to go into space. What is her name? Kalpana Chawla. That is Kalpana Chawla. First Indian woman to go into space, name is Kalpana Chawla. Now next is first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Yes, Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal. She was the first woman who climbed the Mount Everest first. Okay, then next is first Indian woman to break into the top 50 in world ranking of tennis. So first woman tennis player, you got to know the name. Yes, she is Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza. Okay, students. So this was about the pictures given. Now we are starting with the practice exercise section number 8. Practice exercise section 8. So here multiple choice questions are given. First multiple choice is, a person who makes plans for buildings is called an, you all know, architect. Is called an architect. So which option is correct? The C option is correct. That is architect. Now the next question is, to check our heartbeat, the doctor uses a, to check our heartbeat, the doctor uses a stethoscope. Which option is correct? B option. Stethoscope. Okay, it's done. Now, next is B part, that is fill-ups. First fill-up is, a painter uses different kinds of dash to paint. पेंट करने के लिए डिफरेंट काइंड के क्या यूज करते हैं वो? डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कलर्स, राइट? डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कलर्स टू पेंट. The next is, a driver has to pass a driving test to get a dash. क्या चाहिए होता है उन्हें, जिसके लिए उन्हें पहले ड्राइविंग टेस्ट देना पड़ता है? To get the driving license. Driving license. Now the C question is, again the pictures are given. You have to do it by yourself. Your work is today read the chapter and do this one, C part. Now move on to the next page, that is page number 55. Again 2 MCQs are given. First MCQ is, charts and models are used by. चार्ट्स एंड मॉडल्स का यूज कौन करता है? टूल्स. यस, टीचर. इट इज यूज्ड बाय टीचर. सो द सी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, दैट इज टीचर. देन द नेक्स्ट इज, अ गार्डनर यूजेस अ स्पेड टू डिग द. गार्डनर स्पेड का यूज किस लिए करते हैं? स्पेड इज अ टूल ऑफ अ गार्डनर. ही यूजेस अ स्पेड टू डिग द mud. Uses spade to dig the mud. Which option is correct? First option is plants, mud or flowers. That is mud. To dig the mud, gardener is using spade. So this was the book work. Giving you few seconds if anybody left. Yes, okay students, that is all for today's session. What is your homework? Homework is, you have to read chapter 11 full and do C part on page number 54. This is your homework of the day. Okay children, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.